Selling NFTs on OpenSea starts with understanding what an NFT actually represents in the digital economy. An NFT, or non-fungible token, is a unique digital asset stored on a blockchain. Unlike cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum or Bitcoin, NFTs cannot be exchanged one-to-one because each token carries its own metadata, ownership history, and value. This uniqueness is what allows digital art, music, videos, collectibles, and even virtual land to be sold as verifiable assets. OpenSea is the largest NFT marketplace in the world and supports a wide range of NFT categories, including digital art, gaming assets, photography, domain names, and utility-based NFTs. To sell NFTs on OpenSea, creators and sellers must interact with blockchain technology, wallets, and smart contracts, but OpenSea simplifies much of this process by providing a user-friendly interface. Before selling NFTs on OpenSea, the first requirement is having a compatible crypto wallet. Most sellers use MetaMask because it integrates seamlessly with OpenSea and supports Ethereum, Polygon, and other blockchains. A crypto wallet is not just for storing cryptocurrency. It also stores NFTs and acts as your digital identity on the blockchain. When you connect a wallet to OpenSea, your wallet address becomes your profile. After installing a wallet like MetaMask, the next step is funding it. While OpenSea allows free NFT minting on Polygon, selling NFTs on Ethereum requires gas fees. Gas fees are transaction costs paid to blockchain validators. These fees fluctuate depending on network congestion. Having ETH in your wallet ensures you can list, modify, or transfer NFTs without interruptions. Once your wallet is ready, visiting OpenSea and connecting your wallet automatically creates your account. There is no traditional sign-up process. Your wallet connection acts as authentication. At this stage, customizing your OpenSea profile becomes important. Adding a profile image, banner, username, and bio builds credibility and helps buyers trust your NFT collection. Creating an NFT collection on OpenSea is the foundation for selling NFTs consistently. A collection groups your NFTs under one brand identity. When setting up a collection, you choose the blockchain, royalties, and payment tokens. Royalties allow creators to earn a percentage of every secondary sale. This is one of the most powerful aspects of NFTs, enabling passive income long after the initial sale. When choosing between Ethereum and Polygon for your NFT collection, understanding the difference matters. Ethereum offers higher visibility and prestige, but comes with higher gas fees. Polygon offers gas-free minting and is ideal for beginners or artists testing the NFT market. Many creators start on Polygon before transitioning to Ethereum as demand increases. Minting an NFT on OpenSea involves uploading your digital file, adding metadata, and defining properties. Supported file formats include JPG, PNG, GIF, MP4, MP3, and 3D models. Metadata includes the title, description, traits, and unlockable content. Unlockable content can be used to provide exclusive files, links, or experiences to buyers after purchase. Pricing NFTs correctly is one of the biggest challenges sellers face. OpenSea allows fixed price listings and timed auctions. Fixed pricing works well for beginners because it provides clarity for buyers. Auctions are useful when demand is high or when launching limited edition NFTs. Understanding NFT pricing strategies helps avoid underpricing valuable work or overpricing in a competitive market. Market research plays a major role in successful NFT sales. Browsing similar NFT collections, analyzing floor prices, and studying sales history provides insights into buyer behavior. NFTs do not sell based on art alone. Factors such as storytelling, community engagement, scarcity, and creator reputation influence demand. Writing effective NFT descriptions is another overlooked aspect of selling NFTs on OpenSea. Descriptions should clearly explain the inspiration, utility, and uniqueness of the NFT, including relevant keywords naturally improves discoverability within the marketplace and search engines. Buyers often connect emotionally with stories behind the artwork or project. Once an NFT is minted, listing it for sale requires choosing the price, duration, and payment token. OpenSea supports ETH, WETH, and other tokens depending on the blockchain. Sellers should double-check listing details before confirming, as blockchain transactions are irreversible. Visibility is a major challenge for new NFT sellers. Simply minting and listing NFTs does not guarantee sales. Promoting NFTs outside OpenSea is essential. Social media platforms like Twitter, Discord, and Instagram are commonly used to build NFT communities. Consistent engagement, behind-the-scenes content, and progress updates help attract collectors. Understanding NFT royalties helps creators plan long-term income. OpenSea allows setting royalties up to a certain percentage. While higher royalties provide more passive income, extremely high royalties may discourage secondary market trading. Finding a balanced royalty percentage is key to long-term success. NFT scams and security risks are common in the space. Sellers must protect their wallets by avoiding suspicious links, fake OpenSea emails, and unauthorized smart contracts. Using a hardware wallet for valuable NFTs adds an extra layer of protection. Security awareness is critical when operating in the NFT marketplace. Analyzing NFT performance helps sellers refine their strategies. OpenSea provides data on views, favorites, and sales history. Monitoring which NFTs gain attention allows creators to understand what resonates with buyers. Adjusting styles, themes, or pricing based on performance data improves future sales. NFT trends evolve quickly. Staying updated with trends such as generative art, AI NFTs, utility NFTs, and gaming assets help sellers remain relevant. However, blindly following trends without understanding them can lead to poor results. Successful NFT sellers balance creativity with market awareness. Collaborations are another effective way to sell NFTs on OpenSea. Partnering with other artists or projects exposes NFTs to new audiences. Collaborative collections often generate higher engagement because they combine communities and creative styles. Building trust is essential in NFT sales. Buyers prefer creators who are transparent, consistent, and responsive. Updating collectors, delivering promised utilities, and maintaining an active presence builds long-term credibility. Trust often leads to repeat buyers and organic promotion. Selling NFTs is not always instant. Many creators experience slow initial sales. Patience and consistency are required. Improving artwork quality, storytelling, and marketing over time increases chances of success. Treating NFT selling as a long-term brand-building process rather than a quick profit opportunity leads to better outcomes. Understanding smart contracts enhances confidence in NFT selling. While OpenSea abstracts most technical details, knowing how ownership, royalties, and transfers work helps sellers avoid mistakes. Knowledge reduces dependency on third parties and increases professionalism in the NFT space. Tax considerations are another aspect NFT sellers should be aware of. NFT sales may be subject to taxes depending on jurisdiction. Keeping records of transactions, gas fees, and earnings helps with compliance and financial planning. NFT utility adds value beyond visuals. Utility can include access to private communities, future drops, events, or exclusive content. NFTs with clear utility often outperform purely aesthetic pieces. Buyers increasingly look for long-term benefits rather than one-time purchases. Scaling NFT sales involves expanding collections, improving branding, and strengthening community relationships. Some creators evolve into full NFT brands, offering multiple collections, collaborations, and experiences. OpenSea supports this growth by allowing unlimited collections under one account. Gas optimization strategies help reduce costs when selling NFTs on Ethereum. Listing during low network activity periods and batching transactions saves money. Many experienced sellers monitor gas trackers before minting or listing NFTs. Long-term success in selling NFTs on OpenSea depends on adaptability. The NFT market is dynamic, influenced by technology, culture, and economics. Sellers who continuously learn, experiment, and engage with their audience are more likely to thrive. If you found this guide helpful and want more in-depth tutorials on NFTs, blockchain, and digital income opportunities, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with anyone looking to start selling NFTs on OpenSea today.